The world's coral reefs are a key part of the ocean and play a huge role in keeping our oceans healthy. Corals are habitats for many marine species, and 25% of all marine life rely on the reefs for survival. They bring $500 to $700 million to the world's economy through diving and fisheries. They also protect our coasts from dangerous waves and storm surges, which is very important for small islands like Bermuda and the Bahamas. Reefs have recently been used to create and discover drugs to treat illnesses such as cancer. However, they are under threat due to many factors such as changing sea temperatures, causing them to bleach and die, chemical pollutants that are raising the acidity of the oceans, which also kills the corals, as well as sediments and algae that cover the coral, stopping them from photosynthesizing. Also, physical impacts such as divers or anchors can damage the corals by kicking it or ripping it up. And lastly, diseases such as black band.
To help restore our reefs and resolve the problem of declining corals, a piece of coral is cut off because fragments of coral will grow 15 times faster than a normal coral polyp. The fragment is attached to a PVC pipe shaped like a Christmas tree and is cleaned regularly to avoid algae growth and other predators. Once the coral fragment reaches 6 inches, it is outplanted on the reef in large groups to form several colonies. Staghorn coral is the most commonly used as it is growing naturally in the Bahamas and is more resistant. When choosing the site, many factors are taken into consideration, such as the structure of the reef and how damaged it is, the amount of algae growth, and the water quality in the area. You can help by being more mindful divers and being careful where you anchor your boat. Use reef-safe sunscreen to reduce the amount of chemicals in the ocean. Be mindful of your carbon emissions to slow down global warming, since the ocean absorbs 93% of the heat in the atmosphere. By doing this, it helps reduce coral bleaching and creates happy, healthy corals.